This is me Huzefa and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to add business logic in OpenAI Agent SDK with function tool. This function tool have decorator and this customized function tool will not have decorator. With decorator, look how easy it is. Without decorator, how many line of code we have to write there. With decorator, OpenAI Agent SDK handle all of this for us. We have just write to decorator and start. In function tool, all I add is enable parameter where I add my own logic. Is enable parameter contains boolean and boolean value true or false. True means it will run and false it will not run. Obviously, it will run true by default. It's true. In tool validation, I add my logic like check user age. If a user is 18 plus, then it will run. Otherwise, it will not run. Like this, you can add your own business logic. If your user purchase your pro plan subscription, then it will run your tool. And then user can run your all tools. Otherwise, he cannot use your own tools. Look, move forward to agent.py file. There I create an output guardrail that checks LLM will not reply. Simple words. If the LLM answer as it's on its own, skipping the tool trigger the tripwire. If the output comes from a tool, no, do not trigger the tripwire. Then I create an agent and give the instruction always use tools for math, never calculate directly and blah blah blah. Then I create a dictionary and give three keys name, age and role and get the value with input method. Then I create a try and accept for exception for under 18 exception for under 18 trip by trigger for guardrail. Then there I add context for info means dictionary and that's run for this agent uv run agent.py. Wait for a while. My name is Huzafa. I am 17. My role is student and my query is 10 plus 3. Sorry, tools are not accessible because you are under 18. So let's give age 19. Then see the output. Huzafa, age is 19, role is student, and my query is 10 plus 5 plus to call. Your answer is 15. Just I want to show you, you can add your own logic there and make agents. That's it for this video.